The city sleeps so deep. Secrets whispered, promises to keep. Your memories a melody, soft and low. A gentle rhythm where my feelings flow. Lost in the moment, shadows play and sway. Wishing you were closer every single day. This quiet longing, a sweet aching plea. Just midnight echoes calling out to me. Midnight echoes, a soulful refrain, washing over me, easing all the pain. A smooth flowing vibe, a beat that feels right. Lost in the moment, under the pale moonlight.
Fingers tracing patterns on a window pane, dreaming of your laughter through the pouring rain. Every single thought a verse I compose, a silent ballad only my heart knows. Lost in the moment, shadows play and sway. Wishing you were closer every single day. This quiet longing, a sweet aching plea. Just midnight echoes calling out to me.
Midnight echoes, a soulful refrain, washing over me, easing all the pain. A smooth flowing vibe, a beat that feels right. Lost in the moment, under the pale moonlight. The world fades away, just this feeling remains. Breaking through the silence, easing all the change. A whisper of hope, a future so bright. Dancing with shadows, bathed in soft moonlight. Midnight echoes, a soulful refrain, washing over me, easing all the pain. A smooth flowing vibe, a beat that feels right. Lost in the moment, under the pale moonlight. Midnight echoes calling out to me. Forever in this moment, wild and free.
Time stood still when you walked on by. A universe entire reflected in your eye. Secrets held close, stories to unfold. Your presence captivates me, more precious than gold. The beat of my chest, a rhythm that seduces. Your image in my mind gently introduces me to a distant place where we meet and entwine. In this melody my soul starts to shine. In your gaze I get lost and am found, a sound that carries me on hollow ground. With a vibe that surrounds, we go far and beyond. In this feeling where we truly belong. Silence speaks volumes when love takes its hold. Your way enchants me, makes me brave and bold. A touch of magic, a glow in the air. Your essence calls me beyond all compare. The beat of my chest, a rhythm that seduces. Your image in my mind gently introduces me to a distant place where we meet and entwine. In this melody my soul starts to shine. In your gaze I get lost and then found a sound that carries me on hollow ground, with a vibe that surrounds. We go far and beyond in this feeling where we truly belong. Let the moonlight guide us through the night, in this dance of life we'll dream so bright. A groove that sways, a beat that makes clear the truth that we carry, holding it so dear. In your gaze I get lost and then found a sound that carries me on hollow ground, with a vibe that surrounds. We go far and beyond in this feeling where we truly belong. In your gaze I lose myself, it's true. Our story, our journey, me and you.
Staring at the stars, a million miles away, thinking about the moments from yesterday. A cosmic ballet in the vast unknown, feeling this connection, never truly alone. The universe whispers a secret to unfold, a feeling so profound, more precious than gold. This ethereal groove pulling me so near, banishing the shadows, calming every fear. Cosmic connection, a celestial sound floating through the ether on sacred ground. A dreamy Irish bright vibe, a beat so deep. Secrets of the cosmos my soul will keep. Lost in the starlight, a beautiful haze, moving with the rhythm through endless days. Every single thought, a shimmering light, guided by the moonbeams through the darkest night. The universe whispers a secret to unfold, a feeling so profound, more precious than gold. This ethereal groove pulling me so near, banishing the shadows, calming every fear. Cosmic connection, a celestial sound floating through the ether on sacred ground. A dreamy always failing vibe, a beat so deep. Secrets of the cosmos my soul will keep. Cosmic connection, a celestial sound floating through the ether on sacred ground. A dreamy always failing vibe, a beat so deep. Secrets of the cosmos my soul will keep. Beyond the horizon, where galaxies spin, our spirits entwine, where true love begins. A symphony of stars, a dance of pure grace, finding our true selves in this boundless space. Cosmic connection, a celestial sound floating through ether on sacred ground. A dreamy almond sway, grab a beat so deep. Secrets of the cosmos my soul will keep. Cosmic connection, forever we roam, finding our way back to our starlit home. The city's alive, a pulse in the air. Every corner's a story beyond all compare. Headphones on, walking through the crowd, feeling the rhythm, singing out loud. This energy's electric, can't be denied. With every step, I'm feeling so high. The beat takes over, my spirit takes flight. Lost in the moment, under the city's bright lights. City lights glow, a vibrant display. Moving to the groove, come what may. A poppin' fuse beat with a powerful flow. This is our anthem, watch our spirits grow. By a blur in the night, but my focus is clear, shining so bright. Got my own swagger, my own unique stride. With this music inside me, nowhere to hide. This energy's electric. With every step, I'm feeling so high, feeling so high. My spirit takes flight, lost in the moment. City lights glow, a vibrant display. Moving to the groove, come what may. A poppin' fuse beat with a powerful flow. This is our anthem, watch our spirits grow. From the concrete jungle, a symphony plays through the hustle and bustle, through all of life's maze. A feeling of freedom, a spirit so bold. Our story unfolding, more precious than gold. City lights glow, vibrant display. Moving to the groove, come what may. A fire fuse beat with a powerful flow. Watch our spirits grow. City lights glow, feeling alive. In this perfect moment, we thrive.